Here's the step-by-step guide to creating your personal branding foundation. Step 1, define your core values. Core values are the guiding principle that dictates your behavior and action. They help people understand what you stand for. So how do you do it? List out the values that resonate with you personally and professionally. Choose 3 to 5 top values that you will constantly reflect in your communication and action. Example, integrity, innovation, empathy, leadership, and so on. Step 2, determine your desired area of influence. Choosing a focus helps in becoming recognized in your niche. So according to Mark Schaefer, the first step is to identify the intersection of your passion, talent, and the area where you can provide unique value. So answer these questions. What am I passionate about? What am I particularly good at? Is there a space where my passion and my skills uniquely qualify me to share knowledge or influence? Example is, if you are passionate about digital marketing and you have a knack for data analysis, your niche could be data-driven marketing strategies. Step 3, develop your content strategy. Content is the vehicle through which you share your voice and expertise. So plan a content strategy that showcases your expertise and shares your values. Mark Schaefer emphasizes the importance of consistent content creation tailored to your target audience needs. Decide on content mediums. For example, do you want to create videos? Do you want to create blogs? Do you want to just post images? Or do you want to create a podcast? Decide on that. So determine the key content themes or topics based on your niche. Example, if your niche is data-driven marketing, topics might include how to use analytics to drive marketing decisions or case studies in successful data campaigns. Step 4, build your online presence. An online presence helps you establish authority and reach your target audience. Optimize your social media profiles to reflect your personal brand. Focus on platforms where your target audience is most active. Update your LinkedIn or Twitter, whichever is relevant to you. Update that. Use the latest photos. Update your bios. Update your featured section. And regularly engage with community through your posts, comments, and discussions. For example, for LinkedIn, include a headline that states your specialty with a summary that tells your story, and include articles or projects that showcase your expertise in data-driven marketing. Step 5, engage with your community. So engagements helps you build relationship and establish credibility. So consistently engage with your audience, respond to comments, participate in discussions, and collaborate with peers. As Mark Schaefer suggests, community interaction is crucial. Join different groups, attend to different speaking events and conferences, offer free workshops, and make sure you're seen, you're respected. Better your writing skills, provide value through comments. So for example, host a monthly webinar on topics of interest for marketers and use the platform to answer questions and offer insights. Step 6, monitor your brand. Keeping track of how your brand is perceived is essential for growth. Regularly search for your name and your brand's key terms to monitor your presence and reputation. Use tools like Google Alerts. Access and refine your strategy based on feedback and analytics. Adapt to changes in your industry by continuously learning and evolve. Example, track engagement rates on your posts and adjust your content strategy based on what performs best. Step 7, continuously educate yourself. Staying updated with the latest industry trends keeps your brand relevant. Commit to ongoing learning. Read books, take courses, attend seminars. Learning is the only way you can keep growing faster. So, building a personal branding foundation using the steps outlined in Mark Schaefer's known workbook involves a deep dive into who you are, what you can offer, and how you can consistently present your brand to the world. The key is consistency, engagement, ongoing adaptation of maintaining relevance and influence in your chosen field. I'm creating these on how to grow your personal brand on LinkedIn. If you like this, give me a follow and share it with others so others can benefit too. This is me, Danny, here, signing off.